Hi guys, welcome to Unboxed and Understood. If you're traveling by flight for the first time and feeling nervous, this video is for you. I'll explain the entire airport and flight process step by step so you know exactly what to do at every point. So let's get started. My journey is from Hyderabad to Abu Dhabi and then from Abu Dhabi to Dammam. Along with explaining my own travel experience step by step, I'll also be sharing a simple template that you can use to understand the procedure for domestic flights, direct international flights, and connecting international flights. So, even if your flight is different from mine, this video will still help you. So, let's start from the beginning. For an international flight, always try to reach the airport at least 3 hours before departure. Before leaving home, double check that your passport, ticket, visa, and phone are kept in your handbag and not inside your suitcase. When you reach the airport, security staff will stop you at the entrance. Here, they only check your passport and flight ticket to confirm that you are a valid passenger. After verification, they allow you to enter the airport building. Once inside the airport, look at the big display screens and find your airline name. Go to the airline check-in counter. I had already completed online check-in and downloaded my boarding pass, but I still went to the counter to get my physical boarding pass printed and to drop my luggage. At the counter, the airline staff checked my passport and visa, weighed my luggage, and tagged my bags to the final destination. They gave me one printed boarding pass, and on that boarding pass, both flight details were written. If your flights are on the same booking, your boarding pass may show details of both flights together. This is completely normal. If it's a different booking, you might get two boarding passes. Your checked baggage goes inside the aircraft and you will collect it only at your final destination. Your cabin baggage stays with you throughout the journey. After check in, you go to the immigration. Here, the officer checks your passport and visa and may ask simple questions like where are you traveling and what is the purpose of your visit. After stamping your passport, you're cleared to travel. Next comes the security check. At security, your cabin bag is scanned to ensure no restricted items are being carried. You place your bag, phone, charger, power bank, and liquids in trays. After the scan, you collect everything and move ahead. After clearing security while going towards my boarding gate, I used the Buggy service available at the airport. The staff dropped me directly at my gate, which was very helpful, especially if you have a long walk. Buggy services is usually free and available on request at many international airports. Boarding usually starts around 40 to 45 minutes before the flight time. When your boarding group is called, show your boarding pass and enter the aircraft. After reaching my gate, I noticed that there was still some time left before boarding started, so I used this time to walk around, shop a bit at the duty-free store, and grab a quick snack from McDonald's. This waiting time before boarding is perfect for shopping, eating, or usually using the washroom. Boarding has officially started. Now we are heading towards the plane. This is always the part where the excitement really kicks in. As you step on, the flight attendants will usually check your boarding pass one last time. This is super helpful because they'll point you exactly where you need to go, either left or right down the aisle. Look at the numbers on the overhead bins to find your rows, and the letters will show you your seat. After putting your seat belt, we are ready for the takeoff. Now we are arriving in Abu Dhabi at Zayed's International Airport, and it's one of the most beautiful airports in the world. After landing in Abu Dhabi, do not go to the immigration or baggage claim. Instead, follow the signs that may say transit, connections, or flight transfers. This step is very important for your connecting flights. In the transit area, you will go through another security check. This is completely normal for international connections. After clearing security, check the screen for your next flight to Dammam and walk towards the gate. You can find the gate number on your boarding pass. You will now have some waiting time before your next flight. During this time, you can sit and relax, eat food, freshen up, or visit a lounge if available. Always keep checking the display screens for gate updates. Boarding for the second flight usually starts around 40 minutes before departure. Make sure you reach your gate early and board on time. After landing in Dammam, follow the signs for immigration. Here, the officer will check your passport and visa, take your fingerprints, take your photo, and stamp your passport. After immigration, go to the baggage claim area and collect your checked luggage. Once you have your bags, proceed through customs. After customs, you can exit the airport. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can now use the template shown on the screen to understand the procedure for all the different kinds of flights. This template helps you know exactly what steps to follow depending on your type of flight. If this video helped you, save it and share it with someone who is traveling for the first time. Thank you for watching and safe travels.